Hello friends, let's solve this simple problem. Here all values base is common, that is 3. So we will find these values. 1 plus 1 by 3, 3 plus 1 by 3, it is equal to 4 by 3. Similarly, 1 plus 1 by 4, we can write like this: 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 5 by 4. And so on. 1 plus 1 by 242, it is equal to 242 plus 1 by 242. It is equal to 243 by 242. So let's substitute these values in above equations. It is equal to log 4 by 3 base 3 plus log 5 by 4 base 3 plus the value is 6 by 5. So log 6 by 5 base 3 plus so on log 243 by 242 base 3. Log m base a plus log n base a equal to log m into n base a. If more values are there, we have to multiply all here. It is equal to log 4 by 3 into 5 by 4 into 6 by 5 so on into 243 by 242 and base 3. Here 4 cancel, 5 cancel, 6 so on like that 242. It is equal to log 243 by 3 base 3. It is equal to 81. So log 81 base 3. It is equal to 81. How can we write 3 power of 4 base 3? 4 into log 3 base 3, since log m power of n base a equal to n log m base a. It is equal to 4, since log 3 base 3 equal to 1. Here log a base a equal to 1. Therefore 4 is the answer.